Good morning, children. Open your textbook, page number 115, page number 115. Open page number 115, children. Give the numerals for the number names. Give the numerals for the number names. See, children, they given one side number names, another one side numerals. See, number names, you know, no? Number names. Numerals means number you want to write. Number names, numerals. First one, 600. 600, 602. See, this is the number names, children. Now you want to write here in the box. In box you want to write numbers. Read properly 600. 600 means in 100 place 6 is there. No tens place here, only 2 is there. 2 is a single digit number. So what will in tens place you will write 0. 2 means in ones place you write 2. 602. Second one. Go to page number 116. Now 16, page number 115. No, children, 116. 520. F-I-V-E, 5. Read the spellings. 5. H-U-N-D-R-E-D. 520. In box what you will write? Hundreds place 5. See. 20 is a 2-digit number. So in tens place 2 will come, 0 will come in the ones place. So 20 you have to write 520. Here 2 is there. So single digit number. Here this is 1-digit number. Here tens place no number. So you will write 0. Third one. 520. 111. 111. See in hundreds place like write 1. 11. 11 is 2-digit number. 11. Like that you want to write. 11 means in tens place also 1. Here 0. Ones place also 1. 4. 565. 565. See, hundreds place you will write 5. Tens place and ones place you will write 65. 565. Fifth one. 707. 707. See, here 7. Not here 17 or 70 is not there. Only 7. 7 means what will come? Only 7. Only 1 7 means 7 is a single digit number. So you will write here no tens place. What you will write in the tens place? 0. First you will write 700. In hundreds place 7 is there. Tens place no number. So you will write 0 after that 7. 707. Sixth one. 863. 863. 863. See, hundreds plus 8 is there. 63. 63 is a two-digit number. 63. 863. Shall I rub, children? We'll go to seventh one. See, already they given number names. You want to write only numbers only you want to write. Now seventh one. 200. 27. 227. 227. Eighth one. 356. 56. 300's place 56. Ninth one. 444. 444. 444. Tenth one. 999. 990. 9. In hundreds place 9. Tens place also 9. Ones place also 9. 999. 672. 672. 672. 672. Now 12th one. 512. 512. TWELVE. 12. 512. 13th. 385. 385. 385. Now 14th. Shall I rub 7th and 8th? $14. 476. 476. 476. Now fifth one. 15th one. 815. 815. 15 is a two-digit number. 815. Like that you want to write, children. We finished number names, numerals. Now page number 117. Page number 117. write in words. Shall I rub? See. Numerals for the number names we written now, children. Now write in words. Already they given numbers. In this mind, numbers they given, you want to write in the, without spelling mistake, you want to write the number names for this. 635, first one. 635. See, hundreds place in ones place 5, 3 is in tens place, 6 is in tens place, hundreds place. So, first one, 600. Sharp your pencil when writing the textbook. Without spelling mistakes, you want to write 600. H-S-I-X 6, 100. H-U-N-D-R-E-D, 100. And 35. 30 spelling T-H-I-R-T-Y. 30. F-I-V-E. 35. In box only you want to write neatly. 801. 801. See, in ones place 1 is there. Tens place 0 is there. In hundreds place 8 is there. So what you will write here? 800. 8 spelling E-I-G-H-T. 8. H-U-N-D-R-E-D. 801. O-N-E-1. 801. Third one. 522. See, 5 spelling F-I-V-E 5, 100 spelling H-U-N-D-R-E-D, 100, 22, T-W-E-N-T-Y, 20, T-W-O-2, 522. Fourth one, 436. 4, F-O-U-R, 4, H-U-N-D-R-E-D, 400, 36, T-H-I-R-T-Y, 36, S-I-X, 6. Fifth one, 702, S-C-V-E-N, 7, H-U-N-D-R-E-D, 700 and 500 and here also you want to write and 436, 702. 702. Sixth one, 121. See, O-N-E 1, 100. And 21. 121. Seventh one, 222. T-W-O-2, H-U-N-D-R-E-D, 200. 200 and T-W-E-N-T-Y, 22. 222. Eighth one, 340. 300. 340. Ninth one, 931. 900 and 31. THIRTY. 31. 931. I'll give 2 minutes to write, children. Write neatly without spelling mistakes. You want to write. Sharp your pencil. Once I am saying that, sharp your pencil, write neatly. 600. After that, you want to leave one finger space and write and 35. Like that, you want to write neatly. 2 minutes, I'll give. Finish it. Shall I rub children now? Page number 118. Page number 118. Tenth one. 463. FOUR 4HUNDRED 463. 11th one. 571. FIVE 5 HUNDRED and 71. AND SCVENTY 71. ONE1. 12th one. 692. 6 SIX 6 HUNDRED 600 and 90. NINATY 90. So many are writing NINTY. Only E must you want to write. E should NE you want to write. So many are writing NINTY. That is wrong, children. You want to write 9 spelling full. After that TY. 92. 235. 235. TWO 2 HUNDRED 200 and 35. 14th one. 892. 892. 800 and 92. 892. 15th one. 756. 756. I'll give 2 minutes to write, children. Finish it neatly. Don't do spelling mistakes. Shall I help, children? Now, what comes just after the given numbers? Previous classes, what we learn, children, only two digit we learn after number, before number, no? Like that only in this three digits is there. What comes just after the given numbers? Just after the given numbers. First one is 629. Second one 328. Third one 119. Fourth one 455. Fifth one 827. Sixth one here 576. 749. Eighth one 281. Ninth one 901. 10th one 532. See, children, after numbers, here three digits is there. See, 600. 6 is in hundreds place, 2 is in tens place, 9 is in ones place. So 629. After 629, what will come here? 630. After number. You want to write the after, just after number. See, after the given number, 328. 328. 329, 119, 120, 455, 456, 827, 828. Like that, right? You want to write after number. Now, 576. What will come here next? What number will come? 576. Say with me, children. 576. 577, 749, 750, 281, 282, 901, 902, 532, 533. Like that you want to write the after number. Next class, I will explain before number, between, digit number and abacus. Now we'll go to homework, children. Homework, max homework is complete page number. Last class what I gave 400 to 401 to 500 I gave, no children. Last class page number 108. Now today page number 109. 501 to 600. This is the homework, children. 501 to 600. You want to complete the page number 109 and 110. Thank you, children.